Stoneridge Side-Eye, a highly advanced blind spot monitoring system engineered to elevate driver awareness and better protect vulnerable road users around trucks and buses. A truly meaningful safety upgrade. It combines a precision radar sensor that scans up to approximately 39 feet along the vehicle's side with a high-resolution camera that streams live video directly to an in-cab monitor, giving drivers a clearer, more confident view of their surroundings. The moment a cyclist, pedestrian, or any moving road user enters the critical danger zone, the radar instantly activates both visual and audible alerts, allowing the driver to react before the hazard even appears in mirrors. Purpose-built for low-speed urban environments, Side-Eye smartly filters out stationary objects like guardrails or curbs, significantly reducing false alarms and keeping alerts relevant when it matters most. Bergman engineers have proven you can have a dumper that's efficient, agile, and comfortable all at once. They've created several machines with an articulated frame, and the results are truly impressive. The driver enjoys an air-conditioned cab and can swivel in their seat to control loading and unloading with absolute precision. If necessary, the dump body can even rotate a full 180 degrees during operation. The powerful C815S version can haul up to 12 tons in a single trip. And the frame's flexibility is further improved by its generous ground clearance, either 4 to 129 mm, 4 to 124 mm, depending on configuration. Profitability and efficiency take center stage with the Kogel E-Cool refrigerated trailer, their latest innovation. This trailer features an entirely electric refrigeration system powered by integrated solar panels and regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system becomes effective at speeds above 15 km per hour, producing up to 17 kilowatts of power. The energy is stored in a battery, with the exhibition model featuring a capacity of 23 kilowatt hours. However, there's an option to upgrade to 34 kilowatt hours, allowing for about 9 hours of continuous operation. This setup offers 3 major benefits: reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, and quieter operation compared to standard refrigeration systems. At first glance, this looks like simple metal bars, but it can lift the world's heaviest machines with ease. This is the scissor lift mechanism, where crisscrossing X-shaped arms rise together in perfect sync. No chaos, no shaking, just smooth, controlled power from hydraulics and electric force. It can raise massive loads up to 10 meters into the air, like stacking a small building. And even at full height, it barely trembles under tons of weight. The craziest part? It's just a folding X, hiding pure industrial strength. The very first trucks emerged in the late 19th century, powered by steam, and from that moment on, they began reshaping transport, logistics, and global trade in ways few could have imagined. Over time, these machines have evolved into today's massive, technology-driven vehicles. Powerful, efficient, and incredibly sophisticated. Rockback specializes in articulated dump trucks, purpose-built to carry enormous loads across challenging terrain with confidence. With all 6 wheels driven, these machines maintain traction and keep moving forward without getting stuck, even in demanding conditions. These are versatile machines, able to work with many interchangeable attachments, but this is the first time we've seen an accessory quite like this. The machine uses a specially angled bucket, letting it scoop soil while forming shallow, perfectly level trenches at the same time. And here's another fascinating detail, one that isn't immediately obvious. The excavator's cab and boom are actually mounted right onto the truck itself, in the spot where a trailer would normally sit. Truck drivers may no longer need to pull over to adjust straps, ropes, or chains securing their load, thanks to the innovative XT-COM 90 system. This unique solution features remote control and automatic tensioning, ensuring stability even when logs or other loads shift on rough roads. The XT-COM 90's advanced remote control keeps drivers updated on the load status and sends automatic alerts if issues arise. Additionally, the interconnected top parts of the racks allow this system to handle heavier loads than its competitors. This trailer looks like it was built to move a building. Meet Globe Trailers. Massive steel beasts stretching as long as a bus line. Built for one thing only: extreme transport. And here's the shock. Some of these can carry over 100 tons. That's like lifting a whole house and putting it on wheels. The secret is a reinforced steel frame and multi-axle power spreading the weight like nothing is too heavy. And yet the craziest loads in the world are still just another Tuesday for it. The Western Star 47X was engineered with two clear ambitions: to expand the reach of the X-Series lineup and to stand out as one of the most capable vocational trucks on the market. A bold claim the company confidently backs. It comes equipped with advanced safety features such as active braking and collision mitigation, along with smart diagnostic tools that continuously monitor how the truck is performing in real time. What truly sets the 47X apart is its versatility. It can be configured with a wide range of axle setups and layouts, allowing it to operate as a dump truck, concrete mixer, crane carrier, snowplow, or even a heavy haul specialist, adapting seamlessly to demanding job sites. Inside, the cab feels impressively spacious and comfortable, with an optional lower roof design that maintains full interior room without compromise. Tinted glass helps regulate cabin temperature, while premium material options add a refined, high-end touch for those who want it. For tougher applications, the truck can be equipped with twin-steer axles, supporting up to 40 0 pfund, while the front recovery points are rated to handle an incredible 140 0 pfund, a testament to its rugged capability. Under the hood, multiple engine options are available, all meeting current emissions standards while delivering the power needed to run auxiliary equipment such as pumps or snowplows. Altogether, the 47X delivers a powerful combination of strength, flexibility, and modern technology, built to perform where it matters most. If you're dreaming of going off-road, the Trekkel Arctica is the ultimate machine for you. It's the world's first snow and swamp all-terrain vehicle, capable of carrying up to 4 tons of payload, and if you attach a trailer, it can haul an extra 1.5 tons with ease. With full all-wheel drive and an impressive ground clearance of 53 centimeters, you'll feel secure even in the harsh Arctic. Its massive wheels have a diameter of 1.6 meters, meaning the average person would stand only 10 centimeters taller than them. Powering this beast is a 170 horsepower diesel engine, And it even offers seating for 21 passengers. The Zaslav Trails trailer may seem ordinary at first glance. It features a deck measuring 12, 6-core 2, 4 meters and a galvanized steel frame. So, what makes it worth mentioning? Here's the surprise: it includes a unique and incredibly practical feature. It's not about the removable sides or even the liftable axle. This trailer is a tipper, capable of tilting both left and right. This remarkable functionality is achieved through 3 hydraulic cylinders, each with a pressure of 160 bar. As a result, this trailer isn't just more versatile than most, it can also save significant unloading time in various situations. You're looking at a construction site's biggest secret. This isn't just a trailer, it's a mobile powerhouse. Meet the trailer-mounted crane system. Forget waiting days for a massive crane to arrive. This beast hitches to a regular truck and deploys in minutes. It can hoist a staggering 20 tons of solid steel without breaking a sweat. That's like lifting 10 SUVs at once with a remote control. It spins a full 360 degrees to place heavy gear with surgical precision. High speed, zero setup, and total power. Would you trust this trailer to build your next skyscraper? Caterpillar, widely known as CAT, was founded back in 1925, originally crafting powerful tractors that quickly set a new standard. Today, it stands as a true global powerhouse in heavy equipment. Its signature yellow machines instantly recognizable across continents. From the depths of massive mining sites to the heights of towering skyscrapers, these machines represent raw strength, precision, and reliability. And if you have ever been curious about how gigantic mining trucks haul such extreme loads, the CAT 795F is an impressive benchmark. This beast can transport roughly 345 short tons in a single load, while still reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, which is remarkable for its size. Let's drop by TechNew Trailers and take a look at their advanced car hauler. This clever trailer folds to carry either 3 vans or 6 passenger cars. An impressive level of flexibility. Such versatility requires top-notch reliability in every single component. That's why TechNew Trailers builds it from S3 to 155J2 plus N steel, the very same grade used in heavy-duty dump trucks and cranes. It also comes equipped with 2 winches and a convenient remote control, and for those who need even more capability, you can add hydraulic suspension and axles rated to handle up to 14 tons. Diesel prices in the United States reached an all-time high last year, soaring past $140 per barrel, a record-breaking event. Globally, diesel supply has been a significant challenge, with reports indicating that refineries worldwide are struggling to meet the growing demand. Against this backdrop, the American company Revo has introduced a promising solution, especially for tractor units. By integrating a large battery pack with the diesel engine, Revo EV reduces fuel consumption to 7 liters per 100 kilometers and offers an electric-only range of 400 kilometers. Installation is as simple as adding a semi-trailer. Revo also plans to establish a network of stations where depleted batteries can be swapped for fully charged ones in just 3 minutes, eliminating the need for extended recharging. A giant trailer, dumping sideways instead of backwards. That's the side-tipping trailer system, and it looks unreal in action. One tilt, and up to 30 tons of rock and sand slide out like a controlled avalanche. No long reversing. No chaos. Just a smooth 50-degree lift, and everything empties clean in seconds. It works even in the tightest spaces where normal trucks get stuck. And here's the crazy part. The whole operation feels almost too easy for something this powerful. You start wondering, how did construction ever move without this kind of machine? Smart Truck Under Tray System, an intelligently engineered aerodynamic upgrade that targets one of the most overlooked areas beneath semi-trailers, delivering impressive fuel savings for long-haul fleets. Rather than relying solely on side skirts or nose fairings, this system focuses on optimizing underbody airflow, typically one of the most turbulent and inefficient zones of a trailer. By integrating a refined combination of fairings, diffusers, and under-tray panels, it accelerates airflow and reduces the low-pressure wake behind the trailer, boosting highway efficiency by as much as 10% depending on the configuration, a meaningful gain over long distances. Lighter variants like the UT feature a straightforward, two-piece design that can be installed in under 1 hour, yet still deliver noticeable fuel savings by smoothing airflow underneath the trailer. The TRV-Z1 Mercury is a revolutionary breakthrough in tunnel transportation. This specialized vehicle is built to operate exclusively underground, featuring 2 cabins, so there's no need to turn around. Its main mission is clear: evacuate people fast in the event of a tunnel fire. In an enclosed tunnel, fire and smoke can quickly become deadly as they consume precious oxygen, so reaching the scene in seconds is critical. Mercury comes with all-wheel drive and can accelerate rapidly to 60 kilometers per hour. Inside, it can carry up to 12 passengers, along with 4 to 100 liters of water and enough oxygen for 5 people. One small gap in a warehouse can flip a forklift in seconds. That's why the dock leveler exists, a steel bridge hiding in plain sight. It rises and lowers between the floor and truck, turning a deadly drop into flat ground. Forklifts just drive straight through like it's nothing. And here's the shock. It can cut loading time by 70%, less waiting, fewer accidents, smooth, non-stop flow. And the craziest part? Most workers barely notice it's even working under them. Here we have another truly massive truck, stretching about 51 feet long, 31 Fuß wide, and rising to 27 feet tall up to the canopy, with a wheelbase close to 24 feet, an engineering giant that immediately commands attention. Despite its sheer scale, the operator's cab is designed with comfort in mind, featuring air ride seats, heating and cooling systems, and a clear 12 inches color display that provides essential data such as load status and overall performance in real time. It also includes a smart diagnostic system that continuously monitors the truck's condition, quickly identifying any issues before they become serious problems. A crucial advantage in demanding environments. When empty, this machine already weighs around 261 tons, and once fully loaded, it can reach an astonishing 660 tons. Powering it are extremely robust diesel engines capable of delivering up to 650 HP, ensuring it can handle the toughest hauling tasks with confidence. Introduced in 2010 as the successor to the T282B, this model was engineered to move enormous loads efficiently, while keeping fuel consumption and cycle times under control, a balance that truly defines its value. Its electric drive system further enhances power management compared to older designs, resulting in smoother, more reliable performance during long working shifts. Even with newer models like the T284 entering the scene, many T282C units continue to operate in mines around the world, a clear testament to their durability and lasting performance. the ECAS system truly deserves a closer look. It's designed to manage air suspension and make both driving and loading far more comfortable. ECAS constantly analyzes key factors including axle load and then automatically adjusts the suspension pressure. Out on the highway, the truck lowers itself for improved aerodynamics, helping save fuel during loading or unloading. It raises to the perfect working height, especially handy when draining the last bit of liquid from a tanker trailer. ECAS works in both automatic and manual modes, uses 60% fewer components than traditional systems, and helps reduce both fuel consumption and tire wear. Meanwhile, the DAF team is enhancing its trucks with new features. Their latest construction models, XDC and XFC, now come equipped with the rock-free function. What does it do? Imagine a truck gets stuck. By pressing a button, the driver activates a special gearbox mode, enabling clutch control through the accelerator pedal via the kickdown mechanism. This facilitates optimal rocking of the truck for quick and careful recovery. The rock-free function performs best when off-road mode is activated, and hill start is deactivated, one of many advanced features designed by DAF engineers. One truck, two trailers, and it looks like it shouldn't even be possible. This is the double trailer link system. In a single trip, it can haul up to 80 tons of cargo. That's like moving a whole line of heavy trucks in one go. A single tractor pulls both trailers, locked together and moving like one giant machine. And here's the shock. This system can cut transport costs by 30 to 50% just by doing fewer trips. More power, less fuel, faster deliveries. And the real question, why isn't every truck doing this already? The Spycar Max XL stands out as a thoughtfully enlarged, aerodynamic sleeper module, purpose-built to transform light commercial trucks and smaller platforms into true long-haul companions, without the need for a full factory sleeper cab. Engineered as part of Spycar's Spudge Track series, it delivers a surprisingly generous bunk space of approximately 53 x 82 inches, offering a noticeably superior level of rest and comfort compared to typical compact sleep pods. Inside, the cabin feels refined and inviting, fully insulated and wrapped in soft velour upholstery, creating a cozy atmosphere after long hours on the road. It comes well equipped with upper deck side windows, ambient interior lighting, ventilation grills, practical storage compartments, and convenient USB or cigarette lighter charging ports. Everything a driver needs within arm's reach. Despite its robust functionality, the unit remains impressively lightweight at around 154 pounds, making it an excellent fit for smaller vehicles. Homologated windows further ensure it meets regulatory standards with confidence. On the outside, its sleek aerodynamic contours are not just for looks, they actively reduce air resistance, contributing to improved fuel efficiency during highway travel. Picture this, a semi-truck caught in a storm, or starting to tip after a sharp turn. Normally, that ends in a rollover, but not with the TAR system. Built right into the fifth wheel coupling, TAR constantly monitors key parameters, from tilt angle to vehicle speed. And if there's even the slightest risk of tipping, it disconnects the trailer from the tractor in just milliseconds. The system boasts an incredible 99% accuracy and proved its power during an extreme test involving a Boeing 777. In the United States alone, TAR is projected to prevent thousands of injuries every year. Maybe it's time this became a global standard. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Spycar has introduced an innovative two-in-one product that's capturing attention. These cabins, designed as large roof spoilers, double as sleeping quarters and offer fuel savings of up to 15%. Positioned above the cabin, the space is so roomy it evokes Japanese capsule hotels. It includes lighting, a socket, a spot for a refrigerator, and other amenities complemented by an 8-centimeter thick mattress. There's enough height to sit comfortably or lie down, with space for two people if needed. Another advantage is its versatility. Some versions can be fitted to vans and are compatible with popular brands like Ford and Citroën. Imagine a giant truck sealing itself in seconds, like armor snapping shut. That's tarp systems. One button, and a massive tarp rolls out automatically, locking the entire cargo bed. No climbing, no straps in the rain or burning sun. A simple electric motor does it all. In about 20 seconds, the load is fully protected from rain, dust, and flying debris. It boosts safety and keeps trucks moving faster than ever. Now every open truck you see, you'll wonder how fast it can disappear. The SunSwap team is revolutionizing the refrigerated trailer market. Their cooling systems no longer rely on diesel. They run entirely on solar panels. According to SunSwap, this switch can reduce refrigeration costs by up to 90%. Even more impressive, temperatures can drop as low as -2 to 155 degrees. On top of that, the solar panels and batteries used to store energy weigh 20% less than conventional diesel systems. A full charge provides enough power for an entire day of transporting frozen goods or up to 3 months for chilled items. That means, even if the solar panels fail for any reason, the driver still has enough time to adjust the route and save the cargo. Schmidt's Cargo Bull, a leading player in the European semi-trailer market, also supplies products to the Middle East and Asia-Pacific regions. Renowned for high-quality, cost-effective solutions, the company offers modules with aerodynamic designs that save up to 3% on fuel. One standout example is the Schmidt's Cargo Bull EcoFlex semi-trailer. Known for its advanced aerodynamics, it can cut annual fuel costs by around $1,089, based on conservative estimates. Additionally, it includes Trailer Connect, a built-in telemetry system that helps transportation companies minimize empty trips over time. Forklifts? Forget them. This truck floor moves like it's alive. Meet the sliding cargo floor system. A full container that unloads itself. Inside, the ground isn't fixed. It slides back and forth like a moving conveyor, and it pushes up to 80 tons of cargo out in one smooth wave. No waiting, no manual work. Just a few minutes, and the entire load is gone. It runs so smoothly, it almost looks like magic under the floor. And the wild part, one operator can do what used to take an entire crew. Circle C Equipment builds hay balers that will satisfy even the most demanding farmers. Their American Eagle model doesn't just grab and stack hay bales automatically, it also arranges them into perfectly neat, tight stacks while adjusting to changing bale shapes. Its capacity is impressive, handling up to 18 bales measuring 90 by 90 centimeters. Best of all, a single operator can easily manage every function. No extra help required. And here's the bonus. The American Eagle unloads the bales so precisely that they can be stacked into tall, stable towers several levels high. Imagine a truck loaded with groceries arriving at a supermarket only to find no forklifts available. For drivers of trucks modified by Wesub, this is no problem. They simply step out and use the forklift they've brought along. Wesub engineers offer two clever solutions for this upgrade. One option stores the forklift inside the trailer, while the other mounts it outside, hanging over the road to save space. Powfinger loaders complement this setup perfectly, with the F3 253 PK model folding compactly while lifting up to 5 tons. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.